Hey there, grammar explorers. Welcome back to my channel, Let's Learn with Lizzie, where words come alive and sentence make sense. Today, we are unlocking the power of sentence structure. Well, let's dive into the world of simple, compound, and complex sentences. Grab your grammar goggles, we're going in. So, what exactly is sentence structure anyway? It's how we build sentences, kind of like stacking Lego blocks. There are three main types of sentence structures: simple, compound, and complex. Each one is like a different kind of sentence superhero. Let's meet them one by one. Meet the simple sentence, the OG of all sentences. It's short, sweet, and says one complete idea. Only one idea. For example, she dances, the sun shines, I love chocolate. Don't we all? So there are some more examples that I have given on screen. Each one has a subject and a verb, which together forms a complete thought. No drama, just facts. Now entering the grammar arena, the compound sentence. This sentence has two independent clauses. That means two complete ideas, and they team up using fanboys. Like, I was sleepy, but I finished my homework. She likes coffee, and he likes tea. It's like two simple sentences holding hands across a bridge of grammar love. So remember that a coordinating conjunction is fanboys, which stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So a compound sentence has two independent clauses which is joined by a coordinating conjunction or a semicolon, as I have given in the examples. Wait, I know that you might be wondering what are coordinating conjunctions? Well, I have given once again for you, not exciting fans screaming at a concert, but it stands for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These join two independent clauses. I was tired, so I took a nap. Now get ready for a plot twist. Introducing the complex sentence, full of drama, mystery, and depth. It has one main idea, that is one independent sentence, and one or more supporting ideas, which are depending sentence. For example, although it was raining, we went hiking. I stayed home because I was sick. See, the second part depends on the first. It can't stand alone. It's this grammar sidekick. So if you see people, the complex sentence uses subordinating conjunctions, which are because, although, since, if, when, etc. To create complex sentences, we use subordinating conjunction. Fancy words like because, although, since, if, when, unless, while, after. They're like the secret portals connecting ideas. If you study, you will pass. So these are actually nothing but it shows the cause and effect in a sentence. Let's put them side by side in the sentence Olympic. Simple. She smiled. Only one idea. Compound. She smiled and he waved. So, two different ideas, but both are independent and both can stand alone, are joining hands here. She smiled and he waved, and is a coordinating conjunction. And then we have complex sentence. Although she was tired, she smiled. So, although is my subordinating conjunction. The main clause is she smiled, which can stand alone. It is independent. But she was tired. What is it? It doesn't even make sense all alone. So now put together, although she was tired, she smiled. So the one sentence is depend upon the other sentence. Okay, quiz time. Pop quiz, no pressure. Tell me in the comments, what type of sentence is each one? I like apples and bananas. Because it's raining, we stayed inside. I cooked dinner, but she ordered pizza. Well, take your time, pause the video, and take a guess. Guess what? The first sentence is a compound sentence. Why? Because I like apples and bananas. A coordinating conjunction which makes it compound. Then we are having because it's raining, we stayed in. Two clauses, one is independent and the other is dependent, joined with a subordinating conjunction which makes it a complex sentence. I cooked dinner, but she ordered pizza. I cooked dinner, but she ordered pizza. Here, again, two clauses. One is independent, the other is also independent, joined with a coordinating conjunction, which makes it a compound sentence. Well, let's rewind what we learned today. Simple sentences. It shows one complete idea. Compound sentence, two ideas, two equal ideas are joined using the coordinating conjunction, which are nothing but the fanboys. Complex sentence, one strong idea plus one more supporting detail. Very dramatic. If this helped you understand sentence structures better, smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly grammar goodness, and remember, a well built sentence is a super sentence. Ta da!